What's the date today? What's the date today?
Ladies and gentlemen,
What's the
we're
date?
here today at the Hoover Dam.
Monday, November the 7th. We are here
And,
in the Hoover
this is,
Dam.
how all the power is generated in the state of Nevada.
Transformers! Megan Fox!
And they diverted the Colorado River over on that section over there. As you can see, it's a big dam. I guess it's named after FBI founder J. Edgar Hoover. Wow, look all the way down there.
That's pretty impressive.
I guess we can walk all the way down. Can we not?